welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday! I wanted to jump on and show you what to do if one of your Rebecca Minkoff ties comes off. If you've never joined me before, my name is Jennifer and I love luxury designer handbags, and I upload about 1 to 2 videos a week. I would love it if you subscribed, and I'm still growing my channel, so if you really find things that you'd like to talk about, just give me a comment below and let me know what you'd like to hear about. This is the Rebecca Minkoff Julian backpack. And as you know, Rebecca Minkoff always has the signature tie on each of the zipper pulls, not just on the backpacks, but also on her Max and the Mab bags, and they all have this kind of tie, even on her other bags as well. It's just something that she does, which I think is really bohemian and really chic. I love it, and it's signature Rebecca Minkoff. Each of her zipper pulls always has her name, and on the back always has kind of a rough pattern on the back, and then it has this tie. Whenever you buy the bag, she also knows that we might lose some, and so it always comes with some replacement ones. And so in each of her bags you'll always have replacement ties, and there's a lot of them missing out of this one because I use them to entertain our cats, but as you can see, there's just replacement ties so that when you lose one, you can tie one on. Why I wanted to make this video was one of my ties came off the pink backpack when we were on our last trip, and I thought, oh my gosh, how am I going to get this tied back on? Because it's not just a regular tie, it's actually a slip knot. And for those of you who are really good at knots, you're going to find this video very, very boring. But for me, I was stuck in the air terminal kind of just waiting for to board, and I thought I'm going to try to figure out how to tie this back on. So what I did was I studied it and undid one of the ones that was already tied. I undid it partially and then figured it out. So the steps are always to take the tie, and I'll actually take one of these off, and then we'll go ahead and tie it back on. These things are just so cute. I don't like to do without it. So these are slip knots. So you have the Rebecca Minkoff name on the front of the tab. This is the front of your bag. The back would be the pebbly side. So that's what you want showing on your bag. So you want her name showing in the front. So you want the shiny part of the leather in the front and the rough part to be hidden. All you do is you just even up all of these, and what I did was I just put this strap in towards the bag. So just put that right in with a shiny part towards you, and then pull to even them up. So they're all even. Oops. Okay, so now they're about even, and then you're going to take the front strap, and then you're going to go around the back strap all the way around to your left. So just make a big, like you're going around that back strap. Now when you're all the way around, just dip, keeping the shiny side towards you, into that hole right there on your left, and then you just pull and pull and pull. And as you're pulling, as it gets tighter, you're going to want to twist that back, one twist to your right, and then grab both. So now both shinies are towards you, and then pull, and you have your Rebecca Minkoff slip knot right there. Hopefully this is helpful. That way you don't have to worry whenever your straps come undone. Let's try it on this one as well. This one's a little bit harder to see, so let's go ahead and take this off. Absolutely love Rebecca Minkoff. All right. So once again, you have, this is the front of your bag, and then you have her name right here, and then the pebbly thing that was characteristic of all of her zipper pulls. And this one is a little bit nicer to demonstrate because this has the stars on this side and the rough suede on the back, which is a solid color. So we're going to again go towards the bag, and then keep the decorative side or shiny side of the leather front. So you dipped in towards the bag, keeping the decorative part towards you, and then you're going to take the front and go all the way around on your left side, all the way around the back strap. And you can, it's easier if you're not doing it on camera backwards. So you've gone all the way around the back strap like that. And they're going to find that hole on your left and then just put it through that hole right there. So you're going to keep pulling and pulling and pulling, and then once you're almost to the end, make sure you do that back strap once, twist to your right, grab both so that the front is showing, and then pull tight. So now you have your Rebecca Minkoff strap, slip, knot. I'm hoping this was super useful. I love Rebecca Minkoff and her designs. They're always practical and chic and just really cute to wear. If you have any comments, I'm still growing my channel. I would love to hear from them and what you'd like to hear in the future. I really appreciate all of you subscribing, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.